I started preparing for the next show by removing some graffiti from the gallery window. Sometimes expression needs to find itself outside of normal channels of communication in the realm of transgression. I brought this work with me, up from my studio in Oaxaca. These retablos have something of that transgressive edge I referred to earlier. Kind of a pinup style aesthetic, in a format more frequently thought of as religious-themed art. Photographer Andre Ramos Woodard brought his work up from Houston to show at the gallery. And Narang Tintamuzik, currently a grad student, brought some new work as well.
Hi, I'm Narang, and these are my snack wrap wearable art. They're necklaces, so they're based on Thai foods that are wrapped in banana leaves. So these are kind of based on food from my culture, but it's just kind of fun because as someone who doesn't cook, this is kind of like my way of cooking.
What I've got here is a body of work that I started in 2020 called Black Snafu. Started it in grad school. I'm a trained photographer, but I love drawing and I love cartoons. I've always loved that stuff and influenced by anime, DBZ, just a bunch of things. And so I was looking into the history of animation and cartooning in America specifically, and through a black lens specifically because that's what I am.
Estar alrededor de otros artistas es una gran recompensa de mi trabajo. Being around other artists is such a fulfilling way to surround myself with creativity. If you're an artist, I encourage you to connect with other creatives to build your inspiration. And if you just enjoy art, well then get out to see some art shows yourself. Milan had some large animal-themed clay planters to show. And with her partner, Taro, brought their baby, Me-You, to help with the install. Y finalmente, la impresión del cuerpo de artista 12M de la Ciudad de Mexico. Last of all, I installed a new work from 12M, whose print of her own pregnant body surrounded by leaves felt vital and alive. I just came out to my truck to take a little rest break, and almost immediately the emergency alert signal came on my phone. So there was a tornado warning. So I'm watching it through the window as I'm lying here in my truck. I don't know, we'll see where it goes, but I'm keeping an eye on it. Putting together cool art shows is a blessing, something I've been able to work on for over 30 years now, going back to when I was a member of 500X Gallery and on to being gallery director at Richland and El Centro colleges, and then to all these years at Plush Gallery. Working with artists is its own reward, and gallery receptions are the icing on the cake because you get to meet so many interesting people and have cool conversations. I always enjoy gliding around the room at our openings to take in the buzz of conversation and flow. And this reception was as cool as they get. The plush artists were there with their friends, partners, and babies too. Interesting ideas were being shared and fresh viewpoints offered. And I felt the satisfaction of living in such a rich environment of art, creativity, and friendship. Receptions and art shows end, but the inspiration and goodwill they bring goes with you to enliven your spirit. So as part of your creative practice, be sure to connect with artists and other creatives. The richness of the experience will inspire you, give you a more flexible approach to life, and keep you on the cutting edge of creativity and innovation. Until next week, hasta la próxima. Stay creative, my friends. Te quiero mucho.